In this video, I'm showing you 3 ways to get your footage from your Osmo Pocket 3 to your computer. And this works on both Mac and Windows. So most likely when you bought your Pocket 3, you had to buy an SD card with it. So we're just going to pop out the micro SD card here. We're going to stick it in its adapter. This SD card should have came with an adapter. You're going to take this, put it in your laptop here. So I have my MacBook here. I'm just going to slide it into the SD card slot. So as you can see there, the SD card now popped up on my desktop here. We're going to open it up like this, and then you should see 2 folders here, and then you're going to have DJI_001 folder here as well. You're going to open up that one, and you're going to see all your files here. So just for the purposes of this video, we're going to transfer these files out. We're going to create a new folder. We're just going to put in here DJI, and then we'll just open it up just like that. And then you can drag and drop them one by one, just like this. But if you want to be just a little bit more efficient, depending on what operating system you're on, you're just going to hit Command A for Mac. Windows is Control A. And what we're going to do is drag and drop it right into that folder. And so, I already transferred that file there. So we're just going to hit maybe replace. It's just going to copy over everything that I moved over there. And then you should see your files here. If you drag and dropped it like that, you can click on here, and then it'll put in a nice little list here. So that's the first method of getting your files from your Pocket 3 over to your PC, your laptop. And if your laptop or PC doesn't have a SD card slot like this, and you have nowhere to plug this in, that is where you're going to want a USB dongle like the one I'm showing here. Obviously, you're going to want to get one that has an SD card slot where you can, plug this in like that, or you can just go in directly. You have a micro SD card slot here, and you're just going to slide in there. And obviously, you're going to find the one that has the correct port. I only have USB-C ports on this laptop. Obviously, you're going to get a one that matches the one on your PC. So it could be USB, USB-C, so you just have to check. But I'll put a couple in the description of this video of some that I recommend. Alright, and the next method that I have here is using a USB cable just like this. So you're just going to plug it into your Pocket 3. And then my particular PC only has USB-C ports, so we'll just plug it in here. You obviously want to get the one that matches your ports on your PC. So you want to turn on the camera, and then it'll give you options, but if you just leave it there, it's just going to hit connected. So you see here it says connected. So when you go over to your PC, you'll see here it says SD card. We're just going to open it up like this. And depending on your operating system too, it'll ask you if you want to mount that USB on there. You're just going to say yes. But with that said, it's the same method as I shown earlier. It's going to show it up here. And just for the sake of this video, we're just going to make another one here. Just open it up. Same exact method. You can drag and drop. But in this case, I'm going to do a right click. And then we will do copy. Once you hit copy, right click, hit paste. So once again, once it's done transferring, you're going to want to right click and hit eject SD card in order to eject it safely. So there you have it. That's how you do it using a USB-C cable just like this. This is probably going to be the more reliable way because you're directly connecting to the laptop, along with the pulling out the SD card and plugging into the laptop. These are going to be probably the most reliable ways to get it onto your PC. But the last one I have here is kind of like a bonus. It's a little bit, you have to jump through a little bit more hoops in order to get this one to work, but it is an option if you guys want to do it this way. This method involves connecting your phone to the Pocket 3 using the DJI Mimo app. And if you guys don't know how to do that, I'll have it linked in the card right here on how to connect using the app. So for this method, you're going to download your files onto your phone, and then from your phone, upload those files into Google Drive or something like Dropbox, and then go on your laptop to download it from there. So we're downloading files, uploading them to the cloud, and then downloading them again on the laptop, which is a lot of steps, but I just want you guys to be aware of this method of getting your files from the Pocket 3 to your laptop or PC. That'll let you know how to get your files from your Pocket 3 over to your laptop. You're going to want to watch this video right here to get from your Pocket 3 to your phone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys there.